Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Tariq. My ID number is 16374. First of all, start my presentation with the name of Allah who is most merciful. لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب نفسه. None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him speak goodness or remain silent. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor his newborn. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him honor his guest. Whoever among you sees evil should change it with his hands. If he is unable to do so, then with his tongue. If he is unable to do so, then let him at least had it in his heart, and that is that weakest of faith. Be in the world as you though you were stronger or traveler along a path. None of you has faith until his desires are subservient to what I have brought. Whoever inverts something into this matter of ours which does not belong to it will have it rejected. The world is the believer's person and the infidel. Worldly from the perfection of Islam is that a person lives what does not concern him.